So I just got this hammock, so in this video I want to do a quick assembly and give my first impressions of this. So here's everything that comes in the box. We're going to have the frame, the hammock, the hardware, the storage bag, and finally the instructions. So the first thing to do is to build the base. So we're going to grab this long tube and just screw one of these pieces in the center and then place this down. And then this long feet can go on one end and then the other one on the other end. And we're going to go ahead and screw it in on the back side, which is going to be right over here. Now the feet are done. Now we can go ahead and screw in the arms right over here. Now we can go ahead and attach the arms on both sides. Now the hooks can be attached, and make sure that a hook is facing downwards, and I'll go ahead and put it right at the top. And then followed by this other piece right in front and the wing nut. And then the same thing on the other side. And now finally the fabric can be attached to the hooks. So overall, I'm pretty impressed by this hammock. Building it was extremely easy, and because the fabric is very long, I'm also able to cocoon myself, cover myself up, to hide myself from the sun. It was pretty comfortable, and I can also just go ahead and sit here. And I even brought my cat along, and I think he liked it as well too. And when it comes time to put this away, or if you want to just store it somewhere or bring it somewhere else, it does come in this nice pouch. Pretty stylish too. It's going to be a dark blue color with some brown accents, and here we have the logo right in the center. But yeah, that's a quick look at the hammock.